Hello everyone, welcome to our comprehensive guide on disassembling the Xiaomi Redmi 9C and replacing its screen. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the disassembly process, ensuring you have all the information you need to safely and effectively replace your device's screen. You will find the necessary tools and helpful tips in this video. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, this guide will help restore your phone to its former glory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech repair tutorials.